Come on. Let's go. Let's just start going. That's good, that.
I'll go at the back.
Alright, let's steady it down. Everyone catch up. You can't control a group like this. It's fucking mental, man. It's fucking mental. Our first group ride, and it's like you just can't control people's own will. Like, you can talk to, I think we literally spoke to probably 90% of everyone, like, of the people that have turned up, and a few we've missed, but you can't, it's so hard to try to speak to everyone. Fucking another cyclist. I need to stop spending my time looking behind me. Look what's in front. But yeah, you know, we're doing alright. What are you slowing down for, mate? If you're lost, don't turn into a load of bikes, for fuck's sake. Start seeing them all coming through now. But Maxine's going to be there. Oh mate, it just seems like everyone's come out. It's fucking awesome. Like, thank you very much everyone. Like, I actually got some thank yous. Like, fuck me, like, someone saying thank you for organising a big group ride. It's like, I'd never imagined LivetoRide would be like 200 bikes coming out. Oh, that was nasty. Taking it steady, innit? Get a pics. Should be up here somewhere. There he is. Probably not the best place to have gone. When you are caning it down here. I got a few wanted to get a bit of pace on. It's a group ride, mate, it's a steady ride. The guys are all, oh, he's fucking wheeling, Jesus Christ, don't fucking kill him. Ah, fuck it. Everyone's parking up where they can. See where fucking everyone is. I think they all got stuck at lights.
Hey guys, so you may have noticed when that clip ended, you don't really see a lot more after that. Unfortunately, some of the video we had couldn't be used, so unfortunately that's all you see. But here's some reviews and some pictures of people's days that came on the Woods ride, and we'll see you in the next one.